this video, we'll show you how to quickly clean up and organize your Zotero 7 library so that your citations are accurate and ready to use. How to remove and merge duplicates. First, let's remove duplicates. In the left sidebar, click on Duplicate Items. Zotero automatically groups sources it thinks are the same. Click on a group to review it, and on the right, Zotero suggests which information to keep. If you have an attachment in one of the selections, like seen here, Zotero will include that attachment when you merge the items. Make sure to double-check important fields, like the title, author, and publication. When everything looks correct, click Merge Items. This keeps your library clean and helps prevent citation errors later. How to edit and clean up citation information. Next, let's clean up individual entries. Click on a source in your library and open the Info tab. Review the citation details carefully. Look for missing information or spelling errors and proper capitalization for your specific citation style. For instance, if you're using MLA as your citation style, title capitalization is especially important. Zotero doesn't correct this automatically, so you'll need to edit it yourself. Like in this example, we will need to edit the title to make sure it is capitalized correctly for MLA style. Then once corrected, Zotero saves automatically. So once you click out of the field, your changes are saved. How to view and add citation styles. Now, let's look at citation styles. Go to Zotero in the top menu, open Settings, then go to the Cite tab and review the styles already installed in Zotero. Common citation styles such as MLA, APA, and Chicago are available by default. If the style you need isn't listed, click Get Additional Styles. This opens the Zotero style repository. Search for the citation style you need, such as MLA 9th edition or a specific journal, and click it to install. Zotero will add it automatically. Your Zotero library is now clean, accurate, and ready to use. In the next video, we'll show you how to insert citations and automatically generate a bibliography in Word using Zotero 7.